Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing the live form. Open Google Forms and choose the form you want to embed. Once done, double-check question order and response settings so you don't change structure later. Next, click the Send button, choose the Embed option, and copy the iframe HTML. You need that snippet to place the form into your website. This first action gets you the exact code and prevents mismatches between your form and the page layout. Now you'll insert the iframe into your web page. Open your CMS or HTML editor and locate the page where the form belongs. Switch to Source or HTML view so you can paste code precisely. Paste the iframe snippet from Google Forms and set sensible width and height attributes. Make sure to replace fixed widths with percentages for responsiveness. After saving, preview the page on desktop and mobile. If the form overflows, adjust CSS or use a container with overflow. Auto to keep layout intact. Finish by testing a full submission so you confirm responses reach Google Forms or the linked sheet. Make sure your site uses HTTPS to avoid mixed content blocking. This prevents the iframe from being blocked by modern browsers. If the form looks wrong or doesn't submit, check the iframe code, your content security policy, and any CSS that might hide or resize the element. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily remove custom CSS and test again. Many issues come from conflicting styles or strict CSB rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.